Hello everyone. So in this video we will discuss the question and answer of BHU Biological Science for UG paper code 182. So first question number 101. So in man the deciduous set of teeth includes 8 incisor, 4 canines and 8 molars. So option 1 will be the correct one. Coming to the question number 102. Paul oyster belongs to the class. Option 3 will be the correct one. Bivalvia. Question number 103. Arrange the following in the correct route of sperm movement in female genital tract. So first will be vagina, then cervical canal, then your uterus, then final will be your fallopian tube. So option 1 will be the correct one. Site of action of antidiuretic hormone. So site is collecting duct. Option 4 will be the correct one. Coming to question number 105. Which of the following statement is not true about hemoglobin? So as we know, the hemoglobin contain mostly your 2 alpha and 2 beta chains. So option 1 is not correct. Adult hemoglobin contains 2 gamma and 2 beta chains. This is the false one. So fetal hemoglobin contains 2 alpha, 2 gamma contains, it's true. Hemoglobin A contains 2 alpha and 2 beta chains. It also correct one. Hemoglobin combines with carbon monoxide forming carboxy hemoglobin. It is also correct one. So option A will be the not true and it's the correct one. Coming to question number 106. So basilar membrane will be it separates scala media and scala tympani. Question number 107. Tidal respiration is caused by, it is the contraction and relaxation of diaphragm and external intercostal muscle. So that will result in the tidal respiration. Question number 108. Arrange the following in correct sequence with reference to the part of alimentary canal. So the part of alimentary canal which includes, so option 1 is the correct one. First A, that will be oral cavity. Then option D, that will be stomach. Then option C, that is the duodenum. Then option B, that will be ileum, then cecum. So option 1 is the correct one. Question number 109. So we will match. So carboxypeptidase, it's a kind of your protease. Current sink, it is for nerve conduction. Then hippocampus, that is for cornu ammonis. And Landsteiner, so that will be your blood group. So option 1 will be the correct one. Question number 110. So it's a kind of a systolic and diastolic phases of cardiac cycle are under the control of sympathetic and parasympathetic nervous system. So it is true. Statement 2. Adrenaline or non-adrenaline increases the frequency of heartbeat and contraction of cardiomyocytes, and acetylcholine reverses this process. So it is also correct one. So option 1 will be the correct one. Both the statement 1 and 2 is correct. Next, question number 111. So first, using UV spectrophotometry, the protein content in a sample is measured at 280 nanometer. As we know, the absorption maximum of protein is 280 nanometer. It's a true one. So enzyme contained in the sample can be determined at 280 nanometer. It can't be determined, the enzyme content can't be determined at the wavelength that is 280 nanometer. So option A, statement 1 is correct one and statement 2 is false. So option 3 will be the correct one. Coming to question number 112. Nernst potential on the axonal membrane is established by a ratio between extra and intracellular concentration of, so that will be sodium and potassium. So option 1 will be the correct one. Question number 113. During replication of DNA, Okazaki fragments formed in the direction of, as you know, so that will be from 5 prime to 3 prime. So option 4 will be the correct one. Most of the membrane lipids are synthesized in the SCR, that will be smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Question number 115. A chain of 3 amino acids linked by polypeptide, that will be peptide bond, is called as dipeptide. So the formula will be N-1. N is the number of amino acid and the number of peptide bond will be N-1. So that will be dipeptide. Question number 116. Hansen's node is formed during gastrulation of birds. 117. During meiosis, when does a cell actually becomes haploid? So that will be haploid mostly in case of your at the end of the first division. It will be meiotic division. Question number 118. Statement 1. Polytene chromosomes are interphase chromosomes in which homologous chromosomes remain paired. So this is false. Then Lambrus chromosome are also the interphase chromosomes which are lamp-like in structure and bros-like in nature. It is also false one. So option 4 will be the correct one. Both the statements are incorrect. Question number 119. So the membrane phospholipid form bilayer when water is available on both sides. So that is due to amphipathic nature of the membrane. Question number 120. The safranin stains elements of a tissue. So that will be option 2 will be the correct one. That is the lignin. Question number 121. When a plant girdled with which part dies first? So root dies first. So that will be option 3 will be the correct one. Question number 122. Seaweeds belongs to which trophic level? So these are the primary producers. So now question number 123. So that we need to match it. So tRNA. So that is linking of amino acids. Then mRNA. So that will be transfer of genetic information. rRNA. That will be nucleolar organizing region. Then peptidyl transferase, that is for transfer of amino acid from cytoplasm to ribosome. So option 2 will be correct one. Question number 124. The plant Cuscuta shows maximum photosynthesis. So that will be none of the above. And this is a parasite. Question number 125. Velamen, the spongy tissue, is present in epiphytic root. For example, orchids. Question number 126. Enzymes for dark reaction in photosynthesis are present in, that will be stroma of chloroplast. So third will be the correct one. Question number 127. Number of nitrogen atoms present in single purine base. So the number is 5 number of nitrogens are there. 4 number in the ring and 1 in the amino group. That will be 4 plus 1, that will be 5. Question number 128. Which of the following mineral helps in nitrogen fixation? As you know, MOFE, that will be molybdenum. Iron complex is involved in the nitrogen fixation, so molybdenum will be the correct one. Question number 129. The fungus without mycelium. So that is in case of your Saccharomyces yeast. The RQ of Opuntia, so that will be RQ value will be 0 in case of your Opuntia. So next 131. The botanical name of Venus flytrap. So that will be Dionaea. Dionaea muscipula is the botanical name of Venus flytrap. Question number 132. The process of oxidative phosphorylation takes place in mitochondria, and process of photophosphorylation takes place in chloroplast. Question number 133. Krebs cycle is completed in oxidation. Last step will be oxidation process. Question number 134. Shortest mitotic phase is the anaphase. Question number 135. These are the assertion region question. So deficiency of sulfur causes chlorosis in plants. It's the correct one. So sulfur is constituent of chlorophyll, protein and nucleic acid. This is not the constituent of your chlorophyll and nucleic acid. So it is false one. So that will be option 3rd will be the correct one. Assertion is correct, but reason is okay. 1. So mostly the sulfur is the constituent of your chlorophyll. Assertion is correct, but reason is not correct. Question number 136. Assertion: Khaira disease of rice is a physiological disease. So it is correct one. And zinc is the cause of Khaira disease in rice. So option A will be the correct one. So both assertion and reason are correct, and reason is the correct explanation of your assertion. Question number 137. Effect of pollen on character of pericarp and seed coat is called metagenia. It is correct one. So endosperm is consumed by developing embryo in case of your seed of coconut. So that will be mostly in case of your seed of pea and groundnut, not in case of your coconut. So statement 2 is the false. So option 3rd will be the correct one. Coming to question number 138. Assertion: genetic code is non-overlapping. Correct. Single nucleotide can't be a part of formation of more than one codon. So it is false one. Option 3 will be the correct one. Coming to question number 139. Statement 1. Energy flow in an ecosystem is bidirectional. So it is not bidirectional. Statement 2. Energy goes on increasing with each and every trophic level. So it is not. So energy is decreasing when you go from the lower to higher trophic level. So option 2 will be the correct one. Question number 140. Point mutation involves, so that will be change in the single base pair. So deletion, insertion and duplication involves frame shift mutation. Coming to question number 141. Statement 1. Trisomy is a condition in which the chromosome number is 2n plus 3. That is not 2n plus 3, that will be 2n plus 1. It is false. Back cross to the recessive parents is known as test cross. So it is correct one. So option 4 will be the correct one. Coming to question number 142. So zinc is used in plants in the form of, that will be Zn2 plus ion. In the ionic form, that will be Zn2 plus. Question number 143. Guttation is the process of elimination of water from the plants through hydrators. Question number 144. From which plant part Papaver somniferum, that will be opium, is obtained? So opium is obtained from the unripe fruit of Papaver somniferum. Question number 145. Protostome are those organisms who have mouth develops from primary embryonic opening. So option 1 will be the correct one. Coming to question number 146. In Ascon type of canal system. So in Ascon type of canal system, the water enters through ostia into spongocoel and goes out or exits out through the osculum. So option 1 will be correct one. Coming to question number 147. Which one of the following is referred as living fossils under phylum Chordata? So option 3 will be correct one, that will be Limulus. Question number 148. Retrogressive metamorphosis occurs in Ascidia. Question number 149. We need to match list 1 to list 2. So lanceolate, that will be your Branchiostoma. Seaquid, that will be your Hardmania, and hagfish, that will be Myxine. So option 3 will be the correct one. Coming to question number 150. Which one of the following is a non-poisonous snake? So Naja Naja is poisonous. Then Bungarus is also poisonous. Hydrofish is also poisonous, but Tyas is not poisonous. So that will be option 4 is the correct one. So thank you for watching the video.